All right, what's up, guys? The old Westwood here. Got the family.
No,
this is ZULUX67. This is my youngest son, 24 Dash, and we're about to get this quick family workout in. What you got to say?
I got to say, it's me, ZULUX67. Like and subscribe to El Westwood. And we're gonna get our workout and hit the notification bell, leave a comment, and we're gonna get this workout done.
Yes, we're gonna do some push-ups, little ab work, some core stuff, and we're gonna make it quick. But we're gonna do about 2 rounds. Normally we do about 4, or I do about 4. It's gonna be 25 push-ups. Then we're gonna do about 25 reps of different core exercises, and that's really it. So we'll go ahead and get started. Dash is going. Come on, Zoe.
24 Dash is gonna go.
So first thing we're gonna do
is a warm up.
Yeah, let's do warm up. We do about 20 jumping jacks. Go over this
20 jumping jacks, guys. Follow along.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right. Shake it out.
I kind of did 21, but that's okay.
All right, stretch it out. Okay. All right, let's get into these push-ups. About 25. Let's get it.
Let's get it, guys.
3, 2, 1, go. Alright, good job, Zubs. Alright, Dash, getting a little bit in. Okay. Alright. So first ab stuff we're gonna do. Let's just do some toe touches. Toe touches. So basically,
is it like this?
no. Basically, hold on, guys, hold on. What we're gonna do is put your arms out, arm out.
Oh, I knew this.
Toe.
Oh.
Toe to hand. So
20 times.
1, 2, 25. All right, 25. Watch out. Pay attention. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5,
6, 7, 8, 5. All right, good job, guys. So basically, hold on, get out the camera. Stop. Okay. Just chill out. So basically, you want to keep your core contracted when you do it. So when you bend, boom. So you want to bend in, it's working your abs core. All right. So second thing we're gonna do, we're gonna do half burpees. 25. So let me show you how to do a half burpee. You know, normally burpee, you go down, push up, you up. So half burpee is just down, up.
So you don't have to do a push-up?
No, just half. What it is when you're working, you're coming up, your knees are bending, you're working your core. So do 25. All right, you ready? Okay. Dash, come here, dude.
I don't want to
I
don't want to fall on the ground because
Don't worry about it. Just don't do that. Don't do that. That's the whole point. Nobody said to do that. Or you just lean down, you push out, and bring your legs back. Okay, yeah. Look, let's do this. Come on. 25. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, we're almost there. 14, 15, 10 more. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2,
Daddy.
3, 4,
Daddy.
5. All right. That's hard work. Hard work. So, take about a minute breather. So, ZULUX, just real quick, real briefly, tell the people about yourself and your channel. Make it pretty quick, okay?
Okay. Hey,
Tell them who you are, or get in the camera. Raise your hand. What do you like to do for fun?
I'm 3rd grade. I like to animate videos. I've been doing that for about, I think, because I've been doing it in about 4 years, I think, a little bit. And I don't know. I'll probably make a channel and give you guys a little animation. Yeah, it's about to be a pretty good channel that I have, and you know, about to do some crazy stuff with my animating and stuff. And if you want to animate like me, I'm using the free Scratch program. And you know, that's the program. That's the stuff that I really do.
Hey, you guys check him out, man. He's dope, man. He's the next up.
Hey, Dad!
That one too. We got some talented family here. Let's go. So round 2. Let's do it.
Okay, don't.
Dash, come here, dog. All right. You gonna do these push-ups? All right, let's go. 25 more, round 2. Let's finish off good. All right, 3, 2, 1, go. 25. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go. Finish out strong, so let's do it, baby. Good job, Dash. Give me some. My man. Give me one more. All right.
25.
Good job. Give me some. All right, so let the push-ups out the way. Go ahead and pick the next ab exercise.
Does jump rope count?
No. What if I showing you that works your core? I got one. Russian.
No.
What? Mountain climbers. Okay, that's a good idea. Okay, mountain climbers. 25.
Mountain climbers.
25 up and down like this. 1, 2 is 1. Okay?
Max, no.
It's not max. Let's go. Come on. Hey, Dash, come on, dude. Let's do mountain climbers. Let's show them.
Dash, let's go.
24 dash. Let's do it, baby. All right. right, give me some. Be back. All right. Let's do these mountain climbers, 25. You ready? You ready, Dada? Let's do it.
So these are very easy. For me, because I do. No.
Come on, Dash, let's do it.
Oh crap!
No, not on Daddy. All right.
I saw a cricket on my arm.
Let's go. Come
I'm
on.
like, what the fuck is
3.
that?
Watch out, Dash. Watch out.
Sorry.
3,
Yeah.
1, go. Come on, Dash. Jeez, dude. Come on, son. No, 1 is 2 is 2 equals 1. All right. I lost sweat mine. I can't see.
When I did the second one, there was a cricket that was crawling up me.
Okay, get out the camera, dude. So, this is the last thing. We're gonna do Russian twist.
Yes.
Now this is going to work your obliques, your sides here, love handles. Stop. Okay, let's get on the ground for this one. Okay. So, get on the ground. Show me butts. All right, guys. So, Russian twist, or we're gonna call it the Ukrainian twist, because we don't mess with Russia. You know what I'm saying? Right now, you know what I'm saying? We poo on Putin. You dig what I'm saying? All right. Let's do it. That was cringy. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. All right. Anyways, Russian twist. I'm sorry, Ukrainian twist, because we stand with Ukraine. Anyways, so the twist is basically, we're gonna go from here. Follow, look at this. Here. So you want to make sure your elbows touch the ground or get close to the ground as you can. You just twist to the other side. 2 equals 1 on this as well. So you go from side, 1, 2, that's 1. 1, 2, that's 2. 1, 2, that's 3. Got it?
Yes, got it.
Okay, got it?
Come on.
Okay, he got it too. All right, Russian twist, let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Put your legs up, or you can put them on the ground, whatever's easier. Go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, give me some. Great job. Great job to y'all at home. Great job. Give me some 2 times, boy. Yeah. All right.
Let's go.
All right. So that's the end of our workout. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Say thanks for watching.
No, please.
Much love.
Thank you.
Peace. Take care of yourselves. Take care of your family. Love yourself. Love people around you. Treat people how you want to be treated. Let's make the world a better place, y'all. Peace out, cuz. What you got to say? Hey, link in the description. Well, it will be once we get his channel made. It's gonna be official. ZULUX67 in the house. He the next up and coming genius right here. Animator, author, musician, everything. It's the guy right here. Whatever. This is the guy. He do everything. What you got to say?
I have to say, subscribe to his channel. He has some dope workout fitness and stuff, and my channel's coming up soon, so yeah, and we're gonna have a great time. ZULUX67, peace out.